Okonomiyaki is a beloved Japanese savory pancake with many variations. This recipe focused on the classic pork belly version, which is very popular and delicious. Okonomiyaki is a classic Japanese street food, often cooked on iron griddle at summer festival in Japan. I love eating it while wearing a yukata during those warm festival nights. It's such a nostalgic and enjoyable experience. Oh, I remember those days. It's really fun. Now let's begin making the okonomiyaki. First, prepare your vegetable by finely chopping or shittering cabbage and slicing green onion into small rounds. These fresh ingredients add crunchy and flavor to the batter. In a large bowl, mix your flour with water or dashi stock until smooth. This mixture forms the base of the batter that will hold everything together. Next, crack in fresh eggs and mix thoroughly, making sure the batter becomes nice and uniform. Add the cabbage and the green onions to the bowl, holding them gently into the batter. Be careful not to overmix. You want the vegetable evenly distributed but still maintain some texture. Next, heat a good amount of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, pour half of your butter into the pan, shaping it into a thick, round pancake. Now, carefully arrange thin slices of pork belly on top of the batter. The pork will cook while the pancake sits underneath, adding rich flavor. Cook the okonomiyaki for about 4 to 5 minutes without moving it, until the bottom side is golden brown and slightly crispy. Then, carefully flip the pancake over using a spatula, making sure the pork side is now on the bottom, and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's cooked on both sides, slide the okonomiyaki onto a plate. Finally, top your okonomiyaki generously with sweet and savory okonomiyaki sauce, creamy mayonnaise, a sprinkle of green aonori seaweed flakes, and plenty of delicate katsuobushi bonito flakes. Your homemade okonomiyaki is now ready to enjoy a warm, comforting taste of Japanese tradition and festival memories. ベイビーが泣いちゃったので抱っこして食べます。いただきます。うまっ。おいしい。もうね、キャベツのシャキシャキ感と中のバターのトロトロ感、中の衣のトロトロ感が最高。やっぱね、このお好み焼きが強い味なのがいいですね。いいな、美味しいな。青のりの風味がいいんですよ。ふわーっと香る。鰹節と青のりは定番ですからね。いいね、この超シンプルなタイプ。いろんなタイプがあって、チーズが入ってたり海鮮が入ってたり、何入れてもいいんですよね。でもこれが一番シンプルなタイプで、これが、オーソドックスな感じがして。食べたいよ。溶けた。
汁を入れる天かすとか山芋とかちょっと変わった食材が入ってなくても全然美味しい。これだけで全く問題ない。豚バラの旨味がしっかり出てていいですね。でもあれなの、お好み焼き食べるとこの青のりが歯につくから最初のデートの時とかはやめた方がいいなっていう話よくあるよ。いやもう手軽に作れて昼ご飯にも夜ご飯にもぴったりですね。最後の一口いただきます。ごちそうさまでした。